Powua is the Avantune IoT and AI platform that allows manufacturing companies to thrive with Industry 4.0. Make resources more efficient, assets more reliable, reduce risks of downtime and incidents, and improve performances. Thanks real-time connection to devices and sensors, it is possible to visualize in a single dashboard all the assets in one or multiple geographic plants, monitor their real-time tasks, ampling various measurements such as power consumption, RPM, vibration, temperature, or humidity. All those data are collected and historicized into Powua IoT high-performance big data structure and feed the cognitive learning of Powua AI module. With Powua, it is possible to detect the real-time status of the assets, stopped or in operation, and set thresholds on the acquired parameters to trigger alerts of a specific severity. Powua can monitor not only static assets in a manufacturing plant, but offers support for mobile assets like trucks, cranes, or even cars. Powua IoT allows you to map your assets in a digital representation of the plant, which includes details, logistics, maps, geographical maps for worldwide distributed plants, and assets and hierarchical customizable views to represent cost structure or production processes. Powua AI algorithms can analyze data from sensors and equipment to predict when assets are likely to fail. This allows for proactive maintenance rather than reactive, minimizing unplanned downtime. Powua can not only predict failures, but also suggest actions to mitigate them. This includes recommending maintenance schedules, spare part orders, or operational adjustments. By predicting and preventing failures, predictive maintenance significantly reduces downtime and extends the lifespan of machinery, saving both time and money. Predictive maintenance helps organizations reduce overmaintenance costs and avoid expensive emergency repairs. It also optimizes maintenance schedules, ensuring resources are allocated efficiently. Discover more at powua.com or contact us at avantune.com.